focus beyond my problems. The almighty dollar's the object of the universe. It led to triumph and sorrow for so many street angels. The rich rule the world, they despise the poor. But blessing is to bless others. What was that statement for? The foul gains of power that have led to all this world's corruption. The blind leading the blind. But I guess that's what led to the thirdness of my mind. My grandmama just died and gave the church a lifetime of her service. Questions of was it worth it? So I ain't been going to church lately. I'm tired of listening to the devil recite scriptures. And I ain't been hanging in the streets lately. Cause I'm so sick of niggas hating on the next nigga. As the world plays chess with man in the flesh. Diagnosis from the past to the present. This world disease receives treatment. The body and the mind don't always agree. I finally understand life is to go on living and giving beyond your means. Unhappiness and misery, the things that drugs hide people from and cripple the blind to not see. Spiritual sickness enlarges the dimensions of man's self. Grief and disappointment give rise to anger. Death and age are strangely blended. More defeated the parent, the more hopeless the children. Which makes it better for business. Overcrowded prisons at the expense of God's children. The game raised me, the pain betrayed me. I'm focused, game over, it's over. 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 Not moving cautiously, it cost me. The distractions to my thoughts was costly. It kept me from figuring out the do's and the don'ts of going hard. I bought it, and yet I still lost it. The unforeseen, that's what most people don't count into their dreams. And when it comes to my art, man, it's just going hard. Realness and heart. I'm selling optimism and efforts for cash. Calculative, practical, and profitable. I'm doing this for everybody that go hard, and that's for real in every city. Rest in peace to both my grannies. I'm doing this for my family. A natural born leader that's been marinated in secret ball sauce. I tried to help others and let others help go hard black. And I was failed by ungratefulness and no feedback. It's a pleasure to be in my presence. And whatever or whoever's against go hard will be revenged by God. I survived the snake's pit and finessed my hands out the lion's mouth. I expect the worst from most people and get blessed from them being evil. I plead no contest to the unnecessary hate and plead guilty to survival. It's over, game over. I'm focused, I'm focused, I'm focused. Game over, game over, game over. I'm focused, game over, it's over. It's over, game over. I'm focused, I'm focused, I'm focused. Game over, game over, game over. I'm focused, game over, it's over. It's over, game over. I'm focused, I'm focused, I'm focused. Game over, game over, game over. I'm focused, game over, it's over.